Sharks by Sylvia M. James. Contents: What is a shark? Parts of a shark's body. What sharks eat? Shark pups. Sharks and people. Glossary. What is a shark? Sharks are fish, a very old type of fish. The first sharks lived around 400 million years ago. Carcharodon megalodon. The Carcharodon megalodon, a huge shark measuring 40 feet long, lived 5 to 24 million years ago. It feasted on whales. Today, there are over 350 different types of sharks. Sharks live in most of the world's oceans. Some sharks live alone. Others live in schools with hundreds of other sharks. Most sharks live to be about 25 years old, but some live as long as 70 years old. Sharks come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are dangerous, but many are not. Saw sharks use their long snouts to jab small fish or to dig for other animals in the sand. Young zebra sharks have dark skin with light stripes and spots. As they get older, their skin becomes lighter with dark spots. Whale sharks can grow to be 46 feet long. They are the biggest fish in the world. Deep-sea pygmy sharks are only 8 to 10 inches long. The wobbegong shark's spots help it blend on the ocean floor. Hammerhead sharks capture stingrays by pinning them to the ocean floor with their big, long heads. Parts of a shark's body. All sharks have fins. Some sharks have as many as 8 fins. Each fin has a job to do. Caudal fin. The caudal fin gives the shark the power for swimming. Dorsal fin. The dorsal fin keeps the shark from rolling upside down when swimming forward. Anal fin. The anal fin keeps the shark from rolling upside down when swimming forward. Pelvic fins. The pelvic fins help sharks swim towards the water's surface. Pectoral fins. The pectoral fins help the shark steer. A shark's skin is covered with tiny tooth-like scales. The skin protects the shark from anything that gets too close. A nurse shark's skin close up. A person can get cut just from rubbing against a shark's skin. A shark's skeleton is made of cartilage. Cartilage is not hard and heavy like a person's bones. It is light like plastic. A person's ears are made of cartilage, but a shark's cartilage is much stronger. Cartilage allows the shark to bend, twist, and swim. Shark skeleton. All sharks have gills. Sharks use gills to breathe underwater. Gills get oxygen from water. The water goes into the shark's mouth, over the gills, and out the gill slits. Gill slits. A shark has between 5 and 15 rows of teeth in its mouth. When a shark loses a tooth, another tooth moves up from the back rows to fill the space. A shark loses thousands of teeth in its life. Different kinds of sharks have different kinds of teeth. The shape of a shark's teeth can tell you what kind of shark it is and how the teeth are used. A ridged tooth is for tearing meat. A sharp tooth is for catching food. Flat teeth. Flat tooth is for crushing shells. One thing sharks do not use their teeth for is chewing. Sharks swallow each bite whole. What sharks eat? All sharks are meat eaters. Gray reef shark feeding frenzy. Some sharks eat very small food. The whale shark eats plankton. A whale shark eating plankton. Most plankton are too small to see without a microscope. Other sharks eat small and medium-sized food from the ocean floor. Zebra sharks eat crab, shrimp, and small fish. Some sharks will eat anything they can fit inside their mouths. Tiger sharks can sometimes even eat tin cans and license plates. Zebra shark. Some sharks hunt for larger prey. The great white shark eats seals, sea lions, dolphins, whales, squid, turtles, and even other sharks. After a big meal, a shark might not eat for 2 or 3 days. Great white shark. Many sharks are good hunters. To catch prey, sharks use their senses. Hearing. Some sharks can hear their prey moving in the water from more than half a mile away. Smell. Sharks can smell a single drop of blood in 1,000,000 drops of water. Sight. Sharks can see well in the dark. Taste. Sharks use the taste buds to tell if their prey does not taste good. A bad taste means the prey might be poisonous. Touch. Sharks have a row of holes along the sides of their body. These are little hairs inside the holes. The hairs let them feel the movement of the prey as it swims by. Shark pups. Baby sharks are called pups. There are two different ways sharks have pups. Some types of sharks lay eggs. Other types of sharks give birth. Newly hatched swell shark, an empty egg case. Unlike the eggs of most fish, a shark's eggs are fertilized while they are still inside the female. Two nurse sharks mating. Some egg-laying sharks lay their eggs in shallow water. The shallow water will have food for their new pups when they hatch. A shark's eggs is protected by an egg case. Eggs start out soft but soon get hard. They come in different shapes that help protect the pups inside. Horn shark and Port Jackson shark eggs are shaped like screws and can wedge into rocks and sand. A swell shark egg has hooks on one end to grab onto the seaweed. This camouflages the egg. When a pup hatches, it looks like a tiny adult shark. It has full set of teeth. The pup can swim and hunt. The pup is ready to take care of itself as soon as it hatches. Horn shark pup, adult horn shark. Some sharks take more than a year to hatch. Most types of sharks do not hatch from eggs. The pups grow inside their mother. The mother's body gives them protection and food. This is what a baby dogfish sharks look like inside their mother shark. When the pups get big enough, they are born. Some pups are 6 inches long when they are born. Others can be up to 2 feet long. All pups are born with a full set of teeth and are ready to hunt. Live birth from a lemon shark pup. Some sharks give birth to hundreds of pups at one time. Others give birth to just 1 or 2. Sharks and people. People hunt so many sharks that some types may become extinct. Fishermen kill between 30 million and 100 million sharks a year. Why? People eat sharks. People use sharks to make things like jewelry and boots. People think sharks might make fishing difficult. Shark meat, shark tooth necklace, shark skin boots, shark fin soup. Many people are afraid of sharks. Sharks attack a small number of people each year. Those attacks usually take place because the shark thinks the person is a sea creature. Only a few kinds of sharks are dangerous to humans. Tiger shark, great white shark. In the year 2000, only 79 people were attacked by sharks. Most of the attacks were by great white and tiger sharks. Many people are surprised to learn that sharks can help people. Since sharks do not get sick very often, scientists study them to learn how people can stay healthy too. We can learn from sharks. People need to protect sharks. They are an important part of life. Glossary. Cartilage, the soft, flexible tissue found in your ears and on the tip of your nose. Sharks have skeletons made of cartilage. Egg case, a tough, leathery covering that protects a shark's eggs. Extinct, having no individuals of a species left alive. Gills, feathery structures on a fish that are behind the gill slits and that remove oxygen from the water so that the fish can breathe. Gill slits, the openings on the head of a fish that connect to the gills. Oxygen, the part of the air and water that all animals need to breathe to survive. Plankton, tiny plants and animals that float and drift in the ocean. Prey, any animal that is hunted by another animal for food.